What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Javier, and this is Warehouse of Speed. We're at the open house over here for Warehouse of Speed. Moved over to Pensacola, guys, from Fort Walton over. Got them a nice little location here. I'm excited to check it inside, see some of the work they get to do on a daily basis. And of course, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at some of the cool cars that showed up today to say welcome to the area. I'm really excited, guys. You should be too. Follow me in. You blinked. That's what happened. You blinked and you didn't see it when it went by. good. Yeah. How's it going? Good? Yeah. Such a good time with everybody out here today. I didn't really get to film a lot because I was just actually enjoying everybody and talking and seeing some faces I hadn't seen in a while. But yeah, this warehouse speed, man, it looks amazing inside. I can't wait for the for how everything's going to progress here in the next few months, and see some of the vehicles that are going to be coming in into the shop. We're going to try to bring those to you guys, but I'll film just a little bit more, and then I'm going to call it a night today. I'm tired, it was hot. All right guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Look at how pretty this thing is. How's it going? Good, good. Oh my God. Look at this. Of course, the lighting's not the greatest, but we'll catch this beauty in a couple of episodes. I'm sure we will. Emo 4, man. The boys are getting ready to go do a quick trip downtown, but unfortunately I will not be attending. I'm tired already, guys. My back is killing me, but I hope you appreciated I hope you had a good time checking out some of the cars that came out for Warehouse Speed Invitational here. All right guys, thank you very much. We'll catch you on the next one.